today, he is the sitting MLA of 44 AC Ukhrul. Moreover, he is a living legend of inspiration with so much back-to-back success, leaving a legacy for the younger generations to emulate the art of his hard-fought achievements and perseverance. No doubt, he is also truly a sincere and humble gentleman as a person that has won many hearts of the people. He finished his scholastic masters in history from Nehru. He was a former secretary of NEC and was also a principal secretary Works Government of Manipur. Despite his increasing age, he is not retiring anytime soon from the service to the people. So, to extend his service, furthermore, he ventures into politics, and right away he tastes his maiden success as a full-fledged politician.
I have great pleasure to declare the St. Joseph College Week 2022 open.
Thank you. be a good semester for the dreams to go on with our life.
No more, but they were the moving spirit for the birth of this St. Joseph College. Today, it is one of the premier institute of education, at least in Ukhrul, if not from Manipur. And I wish that this St. Joseph College become center of excellence one day. But never forget, like His Grace has already mentioned, that your study should be priority number one. And in study, like our Archbishop has said, there is no substitute for hard work. Today, cross the threshold by coming to St. Joseph College, and now the world is before you. You are young. You can become anything if you have the will. I like your college motto: ignite, innovate. Friends, let us ignite our spirit. Let us ignite our will. Human will can overcome anything. What a beautiful motto: ignite, and let us innovate. We have to be creative in life. We have to be innovative. There is always a way out. There is a saying, when the door closes, God opens the window like that. That means there is always a way out if you are innovative. But human will can overcome any obstacle. When your beautiful team elevate, let us elevate ourselves. Whether it is in our private life, in our social life, in our community life, in our national life. Anything worthwhile come with a price. That price could be sweat, discipline, tears. If you have the enough will, determination, perseverance, you must pay up that price upfront. If you have that kind of determination, all kinds of temptation can be overcome. So if you want anything worthwhile in life, it comes with a price. And that price could be tears, sweat, discipline. Pay them upfront. As a student, you must be having ambition, aim in life. Some may like to become a civil servant. Some may like to become a doctor, lawyer. That is fine. Engineer, that is fine. But I would also like you to think of becoming entrepreneur. What we need most today in Ukhrul is the private investors. I hope that once Mr. Colonel John construct the road beautifully, there will be private investors who should come to Ukhrul. And there should be entrepreneurs from our Ukhrul town, from our Tangkul community also. In government service, like I work in government service for 35 years, it is 9 to 5 job. Your salary is fixed. But as an entrepreneur, if you are really successful, the sky is the limit. And if we really want to develop our Ukhrul, our community, some of us must become successful entrepreneur. If you are a successful entrepreneur, you can employ hundreds of people, maybe even thousands. You can collaborate with the investors, and that is the only way to develop our Ukhrul. Today, before I come to the college, about the college, I would like to say something about the difficulties, the challenges faced by Ukhrul. You must be wondering what our Honorable MLA is doing for the last nearly 7 months. Our biggest challenge is connectivity and water supply, among many others. That is why today I have invited my friend, Colonel John Sherry. He is also our family, our church member. He is responsible for the Yangang-Popi Finch Corner Road. Yesterday we came, and including maybe Archbishop, we were all enveloped by dust. We were in AC car, but I was concerned about my security who were traveling open gypsy. So there are many other families traveling on this road. Because in part, Ukhrul Road is the lifeline of Ukhrul. So I have been discussing with Colonel John how to expedite the construction of this road. I know there are a variety of challenges, land compensation issue, non-handing over the land, but thank God now at last it is taking off the ground. And I would like to share with him and with all of you my little experience as Principal Secretary of Works way back in 2008 to 14. In Manipur, construction of road is highly seasonal. From May to October, there is rain. No blacktopping work can be done. So we have a seasonal from November to April. That is the time we have to surface the road, blacktop the road. So I have been telling my friend John and also his colleague, Dharmendra Chaudhary, that they must start blacktopping from November till April. When we were in PWD, I was in PWD, normally during rainy season, we do the paperwork, sanction, estimate, tender, award of work, finalization of work. Then by October, mobilization of material, manpower should be there. Then from 1st November, you start the blacktopping and try to complete it by April. Otherwise, if you miss this season, you miss the whole year. That is why next time when I come around, I hope Yanga Popi Fish Corner Road will be better. So I thank Colonel John Sherry for coming. And I hope that he will really mobilize his resources and team to blacktop this Ukhrul Impal Road. Secondly, the biggest challenge of Ukhrul town is non-availability of surface road. Almost every locality, about 28, including Huntung, is about 50 localities. Not a single blacktop road. I don't want to blame anybody. This year, the current budget of PWD for Ukhrul district is 4 crore. What a joke. I don't know whether to laugh or cry. How can you expect government of India to develop Ukhrul with 4 crore? I remember when I visited the church, attended the church, Sister Regime told me, Sister Regime, hello, he told me about this difficulty of this approach road to St. Joseph. I brought one new scheme to Manipur, PM Divine. Nobody was knowing about it. Prime Minister Development Initiative for Northeast. They have already provided 6,600 crore for entire Northeast. I was the first to submit proposal. Blacktopping of Ukhrul and Huntung Road, 90 crore. It has gone to Chief Minister. The other day also I was with Chief Minister, pleading that he must do something about Ukhrul Town Road. And so far he has assured me that he will try to remember that blacktopping of Ukhrul Huntung Road. The 4 crore will not do. I want to blacktop all at a time. So that Prime Minister, PM Divine, I am taking to blacktop the Ukhrul Huntung Road. God willing, by next year this time, I hope Government of India will sanction that for Ukhrul and Huntung. Secondly, there is a new scheme which I brought to Manipur. Government of India has floated 50-year interest-free loan. I have proposed one road, Singcha to Ronshat via Pushing, 45 kilometers. It's nearly about 200 crore. Why I proposed that one? The second biggest challenge of Ukhrul is the non-availability of potable water, safe drinking water. I want to bring this water from Pushing, Gongfu River. I am trying to take about maybe 400-500 crore World Bank loan, external aided project. They have entrusted TPR to Webcost, one Delhi-based consultancy firm. They went to see the Gongfu River, but there was no road. So they climb up the pushing mountain and they survey the river by means of drone camera. Next time I want them to go to the side, but there was no road. That is why I have proposed that Xincha Rongsha pushing road via pushing under that 50-year interest-free loan. These are a few things that I'm trying. I'm also discussing with the Honorable Minister Govinda's works that I want 4-lane highway from Imphal to Ukhrul. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari has announced 4 number of 4-lane. Somehow Ukhrul and Kamchong was left out. I want that Ukhrul should have 4-lane one day. That I'm trying to get loan from Asian Development Bank. Thank you so much. From my side, I like to give a little sign of my token of my support to college principal, Father Pervis. I forgot something. Father Pervis told me hostel is the best ambience to give for study ambience. So I have already proposed boys and girls hostel to the Ministry of Minority Affairs. It is called BNGVK. So let us hope it will materialize. Thank you.